Good morning, everybody. Gino's taking me for a walk. So, yeah, today in a continuation of the what I spoke about yesterday. So, my acupuncture taught us not only the names of the points, but the deeper meanings of the points, which was what I was really looking for. For example, on the chest, there's a point, kidney 25, which is called a spirit storehouse. So it's a storehouse of our essence, and that point is really, really good for when someone's feeling low energy, a little bit disconnected, doesn't really have the energy to deal with life. And then below that, kidney 24 is spirit burial ground, which is this amazing point when someone is really down under. They feel no access to their own energy, to what we call your spirit, feeling depressed, just like, not just depressed, but like almost like they're underneath the weight of the earth and just not able to overcome that. And these points can be extremely powerful. So this really touched me a lot, and that's what I was looking for in a teacher. And, years later, when I still was doing a little body work and I just started my acupuncture practice, I was working with this psychiatrist who, his wife was very, very high in the psychiatry world. And the first time I ever gave him a massage, he said to me, he was sort of this heavy set guy, spoke very deeply and slowly. And he said, "Don't tell anybody I told you this, but one massage like that is like 12 years of psychotherapy." And we just laughed about it. And he was totally sincere. He'd been through Harvard Medical School, studying psychology, psychiatry, all that. And then as I started doing acupuncture with him, although I didn't think he was that intuitive at first, he started, hey Gino, come on buddy. He started talking about, as I would do a point, he would say things like, that point feels like a rushing stream of water flowing throughout my whole body. And sure enough, that was liver 3, rushing stream. And then one time I did governing vessel 4, and he said, it's like I feel energy flowing throughout my whole body, like the surge of energy, and that's called gate of life. So he started naming the points, which actually gave me insight to how do the names of these points originally come about? From these amazing, back then, yogis and sages who were so in tune with their body that were able to identify the actual spirit of the points, or energies of the points that are there. So he just happened to be intuitive enough and in tune enough with his body that he was actually literally able to feel the energetics of the acupuncture points. And almost always he was describing the actual, in his own words, the names of the points. So that actually gave me more faith in acupuncture, more faith in the names of the points, and actually more faith in the person who taught me, J.R. Worsley, about the essence and what we call the spirit of the points. So thanks a lot. Have a great day.